did an endurance ride.
And you had to phone this company, I understand.
Yeah, if anybody who's a fan of the Red Dwarf, I did it with Danny John Jules, who is the guy who plays the cat. So we made an interesting couple, because me, the big white guy, and him, the little black guy. Unusual sight. I think we only did the dance once.
Really? No. That's very disappointing.
Because it was an endurance ride, we were riding 15 hours a day, and we broke all the rules about don't ride at night, don't ride in these places, and we rode. The scariest riding I've ever done was through Tripoli at night, and try and get through it quickly. It was just horrendous. And because we were carrying fuel cans as well, because in Egypt there's no unleaded fuel, and we were riding bikes with catalytic converters, so you needed to have unleaded fuel.
Yeah.
So we were carrying full jerry cans, 20 litres on each side of the panniers, and riding outside of Tripoli. And suddenly I felt the bike sort of do this, and wondered, oh shit! I dropped one of the fuel canisters. This is on a dual carriageway, 180 miles an hour. And Danny was riding behind me. I was expecting to see a big ball of flames and a little black light go up in the sky, but no, it was. Luckily, he was all right. But we stopped, turned around, and went back to look for it, and it had been taken.
Yeah.